Hello TikTok creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an extremely useful feature, playlists. Musical note: whether you want to organize dance challenges, cooking tutorials or fun skits, we've got you covered. Begin. Step 1. Access your profile. Open your TikTok app, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 2. Create a playlist. In your profile, go to the Videos tab, click Video Storage, select Collections. Next, select Create New Collection. Name your playlist, keep it under 30 characters. Select Make Public to make it public, or you can choose not to. Click Next. Then select the video you want to add to this playlist. Note: if you don't have videos yet, you must save videos to Archives from your feed. Step 3. Click on the list you created, select Manage Videos, you can choose to remove or add new videos. Step 4. Finalize your playlist, review your playlists. And recently I guided you to create a playlist on TikTok. If you have any questions, please comment and let us know below. Thanks for watching the video.